In this question, we have got a lot of variables. It's doubtful that we are going to get definitions for all of them. Rather, the key is whether the first inequality and the second inequality can be related through a piece of information that allows us to answer the question. Let's look at the data statements, evaluating them separately first. Statement 1 we will be able to see is insufficient. In one allowed case, U is less than V is less than W is less than X. In other words, the second inequality is tacked on to the end of the first one, and we have the case that V is less than Y, as we've been asked. But this statement, statement 1, would also allow a case in which the second inequality isn't tacked onto the first one, but slipped between the terms, so that U is less than X, is less than Y, is less than Z, is less than V. In that case, we get the opposite answer. It's not true that V is less than Y. Since we get opposite answers from valid cases, allowed cases, we have insufficient information. Statement 2 improves upon statement 1. Namely, it says that the first case that we looked at is the only case. The second inequality is tacked on to the end of the first, so that all the variables are lined up in order. We have sufficient information to answer the question of whether V is less than Y. The correct answer is B.